What's up, you guys? Guenther Oka here, Axis Team Athlete, and today we're at stop number 1 of the Malibu Boats Rider Experience. Day number 1 is Shreddin Saturday. We're out in the Malibu and Axis boats to pretty much take some of the competitors out, give them some tips, help them learn new tricks, or even just walk them through the Malibu and Axis lineup on the water. Day 2 of the Rider Experience is where things really heat up. This is where we're hosting the wakeboard and wakesurf Regional Championships. It's a super fun amateur event, and also this seeds riders for the WWA National Wakeboard Championships. All right, you guys, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the recap from stop number 1 Rider Experience. If you want to join us on the next one, head over to the WWA.com/Rider Experience to find out more, find one that's coming near you. We'll see you there.